Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a very brief walkthrough on a 2025 Nautique G23. So the beautiful Admiral Blue metal flake and Sahara sand hull side, matching tower that does fold down and collapse. Nautique Surf System, over underwater lights, steer assist, and the PCM ZZ6 450 horsepower engine, so lots of power when you're out there in the water. Got a couple seats back here when you're hanging out and anchored. Nautique does a great job using their non-skid, so it's nice entry points into the boat instead of being on upholstery. Strapless board racks, tower speakers, bimini top and boot, and then it also has surf pockets up there as well. Nice U-shaped seating. It's rated for 16 passengers, so you have tons of room to move about with your friends and family. Taking a look at the helm. Nice race car Spire seat. Got our hotkeys, charging ports, link pin array screen for all your ballast control, navigation. Everything's very accessible here at the helm. Ergonomically really sound. Recessed glove box. Great visibility when you're out there in the water. And then we have the bow filler cushion option here at the bow. Seating on either side. Very comfortable and easy boat to operate. It's located here at our store in Rogers. If you have any questions about this boat or anything else we have in stock, stop on by.